Are you tired of struggling with lug nuts and slow tire changes? Here are the 5 best cordless impact wrenches I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, the DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Impact Wrench. Priced at $239.95, this tool caught my eye with its insane torque of 1,030 foot-pounds for fastening and 1,400 foot-pounds for breakaway tasks. If you want power and precision for your automotive needs, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The DeWalt features an impressive brushless motor that not only extends battery life, but also means you can tackle tough jobs without the fear of overheating. The 4-speed settings allow you to adjust the power to suit various tasks, from delicate to heavy duty. Plus, the built-in LED light illuminates dark work areas, ensuring you can work efficiently no matter where you are. It's highly rated with over 900 units sold in the past month, which shows it's a popular choice for a reason. Now, some people complained about its weight at 6.4 pounds. Here's the thing though, while it might be a bit heavier than some alternatives, that weight actually contributes to its durability and stability during use. If you prioritize a tool that can take a beating, this is a small trade-off. This is perfect for you if you're a professional mechanic or a serious DIYer needing a reliable, high-torque impact wrench. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra-light for simple home tasks. For the quality and features, the price is justified. Now, if DeWalt's weight is a concern, the next product offers a lighter alternative.
Product number 2, DIY Toollift's 1.5-inch impact wrench. The DIY Toollift's cordless impact wrench, priced at just $60.99. This caught my attention because it's a budget-friendly option that still packs a punch with 1,000 foot-pounds of torque. If you need something for everyday car tire changes without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. The kicker here is that it's designed to be compatible with DeWalt's 20V batteries, making it really handy if you already own other tools from the same brand. It features an ergonomic design that minimizes fatigue, and the built-in LED light is a real lifesaver for low light conditions. With 700 units sold this month, it's clear that people are finding value in this tool. Plus, the variable speed settings allow for some nice control whether you're tightening or loosening. Now, some users mentioned that it's not recommended for heavy truck tires. Here's the thing though, this is an ideal tool for lighter applications, like everyday car maintenance. If you're looking to tackle heavier jobs, this may not be the right fit. This is perfect for you if you're a casual user looking to change tires or do light repairs. Skip this one if you're frequently working on larger vehicles or industrial tasks. For the price, it offers solid value without sacrificing too much quality. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better if you need a bit more power. Product number 3, Automotive 20V Cordless Impact Wrench, priced at $87.99. This one really stood out to me because it boasts an incredible maximum torque of 1,500 Newton meters, or 1,106 feet-pounds. If you're dealing with rusted or over-torqued fasteners, this is worth a serious look. The 3 smart rotation modes are a game changer for added control. The auto stop reverse feature means you won't risk over-loosening bolts, which is so important for safety. Plus, the brushless motor provides longer run times and less heat, which means you can work longer without worrying about burnout. It's been purchased over 400 times in the last month, proving it's gaining traction. But there's a downside. Some users noted it doesn't come with a battery. Here's the thing though, if you already own compatible DeWalt batteries, this isn't a deal breaker and saves you money in the long run since you're only purchasing the tool. This is perfect for you if you're someone who needs a powerful impact wrench for heavy-duty tasks like rusted bolts or tire rotations. Skip this if you want an all-in-one kit with a battery included. For the performance you're getting, the price is very fair. Now, if you like the power but want something with a complete set included, the next product might catch your attention. Product number 4, TaskStar 1200 Newton meter Impact Wrench. The TaskStar Cordless Impact Wrench, priced at $90.14. I was impressed by its high torque of 886 feet-pounds, and it includes 2 4.0 AH batteries and a fast charger.
If you want something that's ready to go right out of the box, this is worth a serious look. The fast charger is a standout feature. It significantly cuts down on downtime, allowing you to get back to work quickly. Plus, with 3 speed settings, you can adjust the performance based on your tasks, whether you're working on a delicate job or something heavy-duty. It's been picked up by over 200 buyers in the past month, which shows it's quite popular. However, some users mentioned that it feels a bit bulkier than some of its competitors. Here's the thing though, the added weight can actually mean better durability and stability during those tough jobs, so it could be worth it for long-term use. This is perfect for you if you want a complete kit that's ready to tackle various tasks. Skip this if you're looking for something more compact for light uses. For the features offered, it's a solid investment. Alright, we're down to the last one, and if you're looking for something particularly versatile, you might want to hear about this final option.
Product number 5, XGO-BHC half-inch impact wrench. We have the XGO-BHC cordless impact wrench, priced at $62.99. This one shines with a torque of 1,254 foot-pounds and comes with 6 impact sockets. If you need a versatile tool that covers a range of jobs, this is worth a serious look. The 3 adjustable speed settings are handy for dialing in the right power for your task, ensuring you won't damage softer materials. This impact wrench is also compatible with DeWalt 20V batteries, making it a perfect addition to your existing toolkit. With 200 sales recently, it's slowly building a reputation in the market. Still, some users have expressed concerns about the lack of battery included. Here's the thing though, if you already have compatible batteries, you'll appreciate the cost savings from just buying the tool. And for those who don't mind the extra step of purchasing a battery separately, it's an excellent choice. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly yet high-performing tool for various applications. Skip this if you're looking for a complete package right out of the box. For the performance and accessories you're getting, it's a steal.
So, to recap, we've got the DeWalt 20V Max for top-tier power, DIY tool lifts for budget-savvy users, Adarar for heavy-duty tasks, TaskStar for a complete kit, and XGO-BHC for versatility. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the DeWalt 20V Max because of its unbeatable torque and reliability. Avoid the DIY tool lifts if you need something heavy-duty, as it's not recommended for heavier applications.